Icho muyogo yosomusangirikano yoba igoni go mu executive secretary bekombe Knut Kisii South Jared Mariera abagakuru kuboria kwa gutia Serikali kweneke bunango ikiraniere chira chiri babete bako bariera ane cyo kweneke abuna abalimu abarokiwa abalimu gose bali bare internship babere bakuri kwa permanent eryokorwa obokoreri asensemo yetsemi.
That the government of Kenya, especially the TSC department of it, they are not taking the teachers of the Republic of Kenya in the right direction. We are saying here and in a categorical way that the way things are moving, we as a union and we as the teachers of the Republic of Kenya, we are not happy. One, we have an agreement between us and the TSC, which was signed last year, in which the TSC was supposed to give us a certain increment. We got it. But there is a phase which remained, which we call phase 2. If the TSC cannot adhere to our agreement, because we had made that agreement, it is deposited in the courts, and it is a legal document. We are ready to take any other direction. And therefore, it is our humble appeal to the government, and the TSC in particular, let them ensure that the phase 2 of our agreement is adhered to. That is our demand. Number 2, our teachers for quite long, especially the teachers who are in grade B5 to C1, were given a promotion long time ago. Ndego kuranga abana baito bali ikwe abana mbali bali ikire ase ensemo y'obwalimu omwana akogende college okora teaching practice lakini bona ige toira abana bagosomya school bagokora teaching practice bagenda tokosoma, which is not true. The right way TSC asaba alimu etokori ku under either contract or permanent. Amangana kurunga intern atutaki. Tunataka walimu wote 46,000 wakuwe confirmed immediately. Na ande class kianda mbato yetegocha primary. Bono ikantu bwati birasi bisaine. Serikali erigereri mbato yete birasi ebike tunasema asante. For example, in our subcontinent tuwe birasi osiji skuru sanemo tuate birembu ya mono. Lakini chu skuru chiri bonchari